Hi, it's Jana Eubank with Simple Stories, and I'm here at Scrapbook.com to show you the brand new Say Cheese Halloween bundle. This is such a fun bundle. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays with all the magic and the costumes and the twinkling lights. It's just the perfect pairing with the magical place on Earth. The base of this bundle is Simple Stories signature Snap 6x8 binders, and I love these binders. They have this gorgeous sturdy chipboard with the hand-dyed linen spine, as well as the metal book plate for you to write the details of your album. Included with the album are 8 snap pages. These pages are great for building your layouts on, and there's 4 different patterns, but you also get 4 journaling pages to allow you to write your story. Along with the 8 snap pages, you also get 3 chipboard tabs. These are great for separating out the days of your vacation, or maybe you want to separate into your favorite kingdoms within the park. You also receive 10 pocket pages. You will receive 4 of the 6x8 pocket pages, 3 of the 4x6 pocket pages, and 3 of the combined pocket page that includes both the 3x4 and the 4x6 slots. This is a great base to get you going on your album. Also in the bundle are the 4 elements papers. This is the 4x6 elements, and I love the happy little phrases that you get. Look how cute it looks like they're lit up against the night sky. Look at the adorable kids all dressed up in their costumes, ready to go trick-or-treating. You get this cute graveyard scene, a journaling spot, and you even get a couple of vertical designs, so you have both options. On the back of this paper is this adorable ticket pattern. I love all of these fun tickets and free wish with the castle, really cute. This is the 4x4 elements. You receive 9 cards on this sheet. You can see more of the cute costume kids eating their fun treats from the park. You've got add a little hocus pocus with the cauldron, the potions, and then look, you even have the fireworks over the castle. Just perfect. On the back side of this paper is this adorable fireworks pattern. If that's not classic Magical Kingdom, I don't know what is. This sheet is the 3x4 elements. You have more fun phrases along with the mouse ear. Look at this fun sugar skull. Again, more fun kids. And I love this 31. It looks like it's all lit up with lights. The back side of this paper is this adorable plaid with all of the colors of the collection. Here are the 2x2 element squares, and look, you have the phrase boo that you can cut out and use as a title. More kids, more phrases. This would be really fun to cut apart and use as tags on your trick-or-treats this year. The back side has this purple and white diagonal stripe. Along with the papers and the album, you also get 2 packs of die cuts. The first one is this icons with all the fun mouse ears, the bats. I love this collection because it not only works for the Magical Kingdom, but it works for Halloween as well. Look at the spooky gate, the candy corn, the headstones, lots of fun pieces to play with. Check out the Happy Kids bits and pieces. We've got the little ghosts, the witches, the little goblins. They're all dressed up, ready to go have some fun trick-or-treating and ride their favorite rides. That album is a great bundle, but if you want to add even more fun to your project, you can grab the coordinating pieces from the Say Cheese Halloween line. These are the papers. We have this haunted house image that's so cute with the cemetery and the gate. On the back of that, you have the headstones, and pay attention to all the cute names that are on there. There's so many fun, clever ones like I'm a Goner, Ought to Be Alive. Take a look at that. These fun, multicolored confetti dots in a nice, large, happy pattern. Look at all these spooky spiders on the purple background. I love the Halloween orange with the bats fluttering about. And look at that jailbird stripe. Isn't that classic Halloween? Of course, we have all the sugar skulls, the multicolored stripes that tie the collection together. Great for accents. I love the balloons. Look at that cute clear balloon with the confetti, the jack-o'-lantern balloon. Of course, we have our spooky eyes peering out from the bushes. Here are a bunch of happy jack-o'-lanterns ready to greet you at the front door. The happy orange polka dot. We've got the fireworks and all the fun icons on this paper. I love these large dots that are scattered about with the confetti inside. So cute. The magical words, you've got boo, Halloween, eek, spooky. This confetti dot on an aqua background is just so happy and fun. And then again in the collection kit, you also get the element papers again. which we looked at before. Along with all the papers in the collection kit, you also have the combo cardstock stickers. These are included in the collection kit, but of course the papers and the stickers are available separately. If you like to add a bit of dimension to your projects, we also have the coordinating chipboard. It's got these adorable arrows, the banner, check out the castle with the fireworks. You even have an autograph book with the bats, more costume kids, and the happy pumpkins. There's also a coordinating stencil if you'd like to do some mixed media techniques. I love the mouse ear with all the phrases inside. And then finally, we have the coordinating clear stamps. Lots of fun shapes and phrases like spooky, no tricks, all treats, not so scary, because the Magical Kingdom isn't scary. And there's also some coordinating metal dies to help cut out those shapes really easily. So let's talk about all the different ways you can use the Say Cheese Halloween album. This would be a really fun album to use to document not only your trip to the Magical Kingdom, but think about all of the costumes that you've worn over the years. Maybe you can collect your family photos of all your children in their costumes each year. I know I have fond memories of the costumes I wore growing up. You can also document your parties, or maybe you want to use it as an October album where you document your activities all throughout the month. You've got the class parties that your kids go to. You have the fun trick-or-treating. Maybe they go visit grandma and you have a family Halloween party. There's so many fun things that you can document in October. Now, there's really fun ways to add interactive elements to your project. And one of those that I want to point out is right here. These are our photo flips. And what these are little miniature sheet protectors, so to speak, where you can add your cards to them. And then they have this sticky strip that just peels off and sticks right to your album. This allows you to add extra photos or maybe even more journaling. Now, some of you may be wondering, you know what, Jana, I don't know how to print 3x4 photos for those 3x4 slots. And I have a solution for you. We have the amazing tool called the Photo Crops. And this is what they look like. They're plastic templates that are made of a heavy plastic, and they're clear so that you can place them over your photo and line up exactly where you want to cut. So here I have this 4x6 photo, but I need a photo to go in this 3x4 slot. I can move the photo crop around and find the exact placement, and then I just hold it in place with my thumb while I use a pair of scissors to cut along the edge. Now this plastic is thick enough that your scissors aren't going to cut through the plastic. But this is great because you can do this with photos, you can do this with scraps of pattern paper. There's lots of ways to use this. And not only do we make the squares and rectangles, but we also have circle photo crops. So don't rule out adding shapes to your project. Look at how easy that was, and now I'm ready to slide it right into my album. As we can keep going through the album, you can see where we've used the 3x4 element cards. We've also used the pattern paper. And look how fun this idea is for your Happy Kids bits and pieces. You can create a little pop-up with the Happy Kids having their own little Halloween party. So if you're like me and Halloween is one of your favorite holidays, you are going to love playing with this bundle. There's so many fun things you can do with everything that's included, and I hope you have a happy Halloween. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.